These 4 foods should never go in the fridge, especially the last one, or you'll ruin them. Basil. It wilts and turns brown. Basil is sensitive to cold and will wilt quickly in the fridge, losing its vibrant color and flavor. Pumpkins. They become soggy and lose their texture. The moisture and cold temperature can cause pumpkins to become soft and spoil faster. Pineapples. They lose their flavor and become less juicy. The cold temperature affects the fruit's texture and sweetness, making it less enjoyable. Peanut butter. It hardens and becomes difficult to spread. The cold temperature makes the peanut butter stiff and less creamy. Have you ever kept these in the fridge? Share your experience in the comments and follow for more advice.